Alright, HVAC people, Trade Academy, partnered by House Call Pro, has partnered with WD-40 brand True Work to award 20 HVAC students $2,500 in tuition each, plus tools and workwear to help kickstart their careers in the trades. Apply at tradeacademy.com/trade-school/scholarships. Each student earns $2,500 scholarship for tuition and tools, 1 year supply of WD-40 brand products, individually selected True Work workwear system, and 1 year of House Call Pro essential subscription. So y'all take advantage of this. Go ahead, look in the description below, and go ahead and fill that scholarship and enter your chance to win. Thanks for watching. All right, we hiking, y'all. Y'all see the mountains? Our goal is try to make the waterfall. About a 3-mile hike. 360 degree of just amazing views.
Hi, how are you?
We're in the middle of this beauty. As the autumn leaves are falling. Hey, yeah, I think that's a bear over there. That's a bear. That's a bear.
Yep. That's a bear. Let me see if my phone can zoom in.
Oh man, that's so a bear. Look how big he is. That's an elk or a bear or something.
Dang.
You see him?
And he said my phone is dead. And he's straight.
The following year in Jackson.
Life is beautiful. Ain't that right?
Yes, babe.
Life is beautiful.
All this time.
Gotta get out here and enjoy life.
I'm not gonna say the name, but you will only be that guy. You will only eat for free. You will only drive around and people screaming your name for 4 years if you don't get your stuff together. You the man now, but you ain't gonna be the man forever. And the worst thing in life is not to be broke. The worst thing in life is to taste some success and then you gotta go back to being a nobody. That's hard. I'm gonna say it again because I wanna make sure you catch it. It's one thing to be broke because you cool. Like,
Oh man, we straight saw a moose. That's crazy.
Let's start here with your chin.
Make up for it. Make up for it. Alright folks, so we headed on a no cool call HVAC people. My second job this morning, coming back from vacation, so I'm trying to get my feet back up under me. Me and my wife, we actually hiked like six miles up a mountain. So I am kind of sore, I can't even lie. And just got to get back focused. I got a lot of calls I got to catch up on. Probably gonna run about 6 calls today. And I get the rest of them for the rest of the week. But I got an install I got to do also. So got quite a bit of work to do, so hopefully I can get some footage. This right here is a no cool call at an apartment complex that hopefully I can get some footage and we'll find out what's going on with it. All right. All right, folks, let's see what's going on here. See what's going on. Hey, you don't see? Yeah. You know I was coming to look at the air conditioner. What was going on with it?
Yeah, it's hot, like
It ain't doing nothing? Blow. Yeah. Alright. So it is blowing, just blowing warm air?
yeah, it's like, cause we had dispatched this one went out of town, and we had called and she was like, well, we're gonna have somebody come by there, so I guess when they came back, she said they had to order some pieces, like this y'all be here today.
Oh yeah, well it's my first time coming, so.
Okay.
Alright, let me see. I think I'm gonna have to go outside.
Okay.
Yeah. Appreciate it, yeah.
See, I opened in and see, that's what I was trying to do, you know, see if it was
Yeah, see if it was clogged up?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was trying to see if it was frozen. So,
Okay.
I mean, I know that's the main reason why it be,
Right.
you know what I'm saying, like I had it.
Yeah, no, it ain't running at all. So let me go outside and try to find the condenser. The filter look good. Let's see what this is. All right. So the compressor not running at all, so go check that condenser unit. All right, HVAC people! See if we can find this condenser unit. So, there's a Weather King. There's a Weather King evap. So I'm gonna guess this is my unit right here. It's not running at all. Let's see. That one blowing warm air. My unit was not running, so of course these things are not labeled. So I'm gonna open this one up. I think this is it right here. All right, so also by this unit being so new, I think I'm gonna check the refrigerant pressure first. It's 2019. Okay, you see the contactor is engaged, so it is calling for it, but nothing happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the pressures, I think. Just see if we can make sure we got something in there. May just be a cap. Do got refrigerant in there. Let's hope it's just a cap. So you see the contactor is engaged. There's nothing going on out here. There's 0 voltage. We got 0 voltage out here. Let's go leg to leg. All right, so I got 0, no voltage. All right. So maybe this. I don't know if somebody been messing with it or what.
Alright, so that's what I'm doing.
there too. Nice. So I got 244 right there. You can locate the breaker box. That line 1 there looks kind of burnt. It's kind of burnt there. Let me see if I can tighten it up a little bit. That one loose there, that white one. See how loose it is? How many turns I got out there. Maybe your problem right there. Right up when I did that. I think it's just loose connection. Just loose connection. That's an easy call coming back from vacation right there. Second one. First call, I didn't get any footage of it, but they got a leak in the evaporator coil. I'm gonna let this one run for a while I do a little paperwork on this one and come back and check on it, but I think that's probably all we needed right here. Like I said, I did check. We did have pressure up in there, so I know it wasn't flat. I think it's probably about 83 out here. That's a good temperature differential. With the suction line hooked up, we're going to check the suction pressure real quick. 142. So we're good. All right. 85 and about 93. That's good. All right, y'all. So I'm going to call this a wrap. I'm going inside, speak with the tenant, call the homeowner, move on to the next one. All right, thanks for watching.